Indiana is home to around 10,000 unique species. This makes Indiana a state of great biodiversity. Biodiversity, or biological diversity, describes the variety and abundance of species. This includes plants, animals, bugs, fungi, and more. All species contribute to healthy ecosystems, and many have great economic value too. At least 40% of the world's economy is derived from biological resources. This comes to us through food, timber and forestry, and ecotourism. We also depend on healthy ecosystems for fresh water, clean air, pollination, soil productivity, medicine, and more. Indiana's native plants are vital to our ecosystems because they have developed crucial relationships with the land and wildlife. Native plants support our pollinators, play host to native insects, and nourish our wildlife. Invasive species, on the other hand, can harm our ecosystems. Invasive species can limit opportunities for food and growth for native species. They also cost money, around $15 billion per year nationally. Landowners can help support our biodiversity, though. Avoid habitat fragmentation and instead support large patches of natural habitats wherever possible. Fragmentation can put stress on natural wildlife interactions, which can lead to a decline in populations and overall ecosystem services. To limit fragmentation, landowners can also plant additional trees and native vegetation on marginal farmland, along streams, and in windbreaks. Your help to support Indiana's biodiversity gives us a more productive and beautiful state.